Steenbras ook. Steenbras, belman. Maar dan gaan een combo maak hier. So. Wat is dat? Oh, daar is hy. Pallo. Oh, op buite by Pallo. Is hy nog steeds daar? Oh ja, oh ja. Okay, so this is a nice combination bait for steenbras. Let's add a prawn here, belman, cob, anything will pick this up. Okay, so I've got two hooks, a circle hook here in front and a circle hook here at the back. Because it's a really long bait, your chances of hooking up with a fish with two hooks in is much greater than using a single circle hook. Oh, Spallo is on. Okay, so there's the bait. White mussel and sand prawn combination. Let's get him in. So here's the white mussel and sand prawn combination. We just caught a nice belman now, a little one that get back, so we clip it on the sinker. Okay. Yes, see, lekker Pallo. We moved to this hole. I knew something's gonna happen there. Nice belman. Okay, so now we're gonna go with a combo bloodworm and prawn. He's just got a nice belman. So the reason for the two hooks, Pallo caught that belman on the smallest hook at the bottom, and the bigger one is for the steenbras. That's why I've got two hooks in this rig. Small hook at the bottom and a bigger 5/0 at the top. So I'm just rigging up now a bloodworm and sand prawn combo here for him. So you see, here's that hook now. There we go. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so you've got so here's your bigger hook for your steenbras, and then the smaller one at the bottom for belman. Okay, you can even catch your steenbras on this one as well. Okay, let's go. Hey, belman. Kom hier, wat is dit? Belman. Dis 'n steenie. Dis 'n steenie ou. Hang stil. Yes, Jannie. Lekker steenie. We're gonna tag him now and get him back. Okay guys, just look at this. Jannie, with his first cast, what bait did he use, Jannie?
Moonshine.
Moonshine worm. Nice little white steenbras that we've just caught. Jan is gonna tag him now and let's get him back. Lucky Jannie. Okay, let's get him back. Aí. Fata. Kom aí. Kom aí. Kom aí. Kom aí, kom aí, kom aí, kom aí, ali.